guys, I'm Chrissy and welcome back to Straight Trippin', where we talk all things travel, and by all I mean the good, the bad, and the ugly. I hope you guys are having a great week, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I will be sharing a tour of our cabin. But before I jump right into the tour, I do want to share just a little bit of information about the cabin. So we stayed in cabin number 7338. One of the good things about this cabin, you guys, is that it had a balcony that I absolutely loved. I was able to spend quite a bit of time out there. I was out there in the morning, the afternoon, and in the evening. I was able to just really sit out and relax and listen to the waves. Something about being out on the water that's very, very relaxing and calming to me. I got some really good video shots and pictures of the sun setting and the sun rising. So yeah, I really enjoyed having a balcony. Couple of other tidbits about the room. It was very spacious. It was myself and my daughter in the cabin, and I felt like there was plenty of storage. I didn't feel like we were right on top of each other. So yeah, it was, to say it was 7 days, and yeah, I wasn't ready to kill her. So that says a lot. Also, one more tidbit that I would like to share with you guys is, first, the shower. If you guys are picky about your showers, if you like a really hot shower with really strong pressure, you guys won't be disappointed. The I guess the handles or the shower head, whatever you want to call it, allows you to adjust the temperature of the water, which was awesome. You can make it as hot as you like or as cool as you like, and also the water pressure was nice and strong. So yeah, I enjoyed that as well. I thought it was going to be like low pressure and lukewarm water, but I was pleasantly surprised. One more thing, I know second time I've said one more thing, but another thing I do want to share is with cabin 7338, the location was perfect, you guys. It was located midship, and it was close to the elevators and the stairs. It was like down the hall and around the corner. It wasn't noisy or anything. We pretty much took the elevator or the stairs. I think we took the stairs more than the elevator, because the dining rooms were like two floors down from us, and then the lido deck was 2 floors above us. So we were able to take the stairs to kind of get to mostly everywhere we needed to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions, leave them down below, because I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is cabin 7338. It is a balcony. So when you come in, immediately to the right, you have a closet. This is one space. You have a top shelf and a bottom shelf, and I've already hung my garment bag. Then the other person, this is going to be my daughter's closet. Here are our life jackets, and we have plenty. This is her hanging space. And then we have a closet with shelves, putting things on. And then we have a mirror. You can see my full outfit of the day. I'm actually wearing a Straight Trippin' t-shirt. I think this is pretty cute. And you can order it on my website. But yeah, anyways, alrighty. You have another mirror with vanity lights for doing your makeup. And I know a lot of people were wondering about the outlets. So this is outlet number 1, and I did bring an extra outlet for our phone charging and everything, because Is there a charger on that one by any chance? Okay, we have one drawer. This has the hair dryer. Another drawer. So yeah, as the drawers get lower, they get deeper. This is our refrigerator. Let's see. Okay, there's our refrigerator. I'll load our waters and drinks in. And I did order a 24-pack bottle of water. Here's the TV. All right, so that's on the right side of the room. So when you pass the closets, or on the opposite side of the closets, you have the bathroom. And let's see, there we go. All right, and this is the bathroom. And this is on the Glory, so it's a little bit dated. They don't have the shower door, so we have the shower curtain and the toilet and the sink area. And we do have some shelving. Here I am again, more shelving. So this is perfect for 2 people because one person can have one side and the other person can have the other side. Extra toilet tissue, Kleenex, and I guess that's a little mini trash can. And that's it for the bathroom. Okay, and after the bathroom, we have the little sitting area. We have a chair here. I've put my beach bag, which I use as my carry-on. And we have 2 beach towels. This is the sofa that lets out, I believe, into a bed. All right, here's bed number 1 and bed number 2. We have another little area here with the mirror. We also have this little area right here. Here's our safe, which I need to put some stuff in there. Alrighty. Then here, it's just some more storage. Alrighty, and then you walk on out to the balcony. Oh yes, y'all, this is nice. So it's not a huge balcony, but it's a fairly decent size. I have to come down here and kind of wipe things down. Alright. And this will be my little spot where I will be chilling with a glass of wine, relaxing. All right. Okay, guys, so here's a room tour from the balcony. Going back in, and that door is heavy. So you walk in, and we have the 2 beds. And of course, the balcony is behind me. We have a huge window. And just kind of, I'm gonna scan the room so you can see that's Leah over there. Trying to get the last few minutes of the phone before it goes dead. Alrighty.
Did you say before it goes dead?
Yeah. Yeah, so in our room, we do not have outlets on the lamps. I knew there were some rooms that had outlets, but yeah. So space between the 2 beds. And so this is a nice little space. Leah have her little lounge area, a little table. Like I said, the sofa area, and this also lets out into a bed, chair, the vanity area for doing your makeup. You have 2 big wine glasses.
Oh, Mom, are you sure it's on so bad?
Yeah, pull it out.
Oh.
All right, and the closet area. That's the door, and that's the bathroom. And that's it. Our home for the next 7 days. And I'll just scan one more time from here. Yes. Nice. All right, guys.